Welcome back to the Food Tech. Today, we're exploring recombined milk. Recombined milk is milk that's reconstructed by blending milk fat, skim milk solids, and water in precise proportions. It's engineered to mimic fresh milk in nutrition, texture, and functionality. This technique is especially important in regions with limited access to fresh milk or in large-scale industrial dairy production. Let's break down the 5 main steps involved in processing recombined milk. Ingredient selection. Milk fat usually comes from anhydrous milk fat or butter oil. Skim milk solids are derived from skim milk powder. Clean, potable water is used as the blending base. Reconstitution and mixing. Skim milk powder is dissolved in warm water at around 45 to 55 degrees Celsius with constant mixing. Milk fat is added and emulsified using high-speed mixers. The blend is standardized, for example, to 3% fat and 8.5% SNF for toned milk. Homogenization. The mixture is homogenized at 2,000 to 2,500 psi, evenly dispersing fat and improving consistency. Pasteurization. To ensure safety and shelf life, it's pasteurized, either using HTST at 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds or UHT at tone 35 degrees Celsius for 2 to 5 seconds for long shelf life. Packaging and storage. It's then packed in sterile containers and kept chilled at 4 degrees Celsius, unless it's UHT treated, which allows ambient storage for months. Nutritionally, recombined milk is designed to match the quality of natural milk. Fat content can vary. 6% in whole milk, 3% in toned milk, and less than 0.25% in skimmed milk. Solids not fat, SNF, are maintained at 8.5% or higher, retaining proteins, lactose, and minerals. It contains both casein and whey proteins, vital for body repair and immune health. Enriched with calcium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, it supports strong bones and energy metabolism. Where is recombined milk used? Let's look at 4 key areas. Dairy industry, used to produce milk and other dairy products like cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Food processing, found in bakery items, milk-based drinks, and confectionery. Emergency and military supply, ideal for relief operations and military rations due to long shelf life. Health programs, used in nutritional supplements, infant formulas, and fortified dairy products, especially in regions where fresh milk is scarce. If you found this useful, subscribe to The Food Tech for more quick and reliable food science insights. See you next time.